Namaskar. Hello and very good afternoon all the viewers and learners. You all are watching NCERT official YouTube channel, NCERT PM eVidya class number 4 and PM eVidya channel number 4. Dear viewers, as you all know that this is a teaching learning intervention for inclusive classroom setup where we talk about special needs children, special needs students. Dear viewers, today we are going to discuss about English subject and this is for class 4th and the chapter is very interesting, chapter number 1. It is Neha's alarm clock. You can see it from the book Marigold and today's expert is also with us, but before that you can see on my left side she is interpreter and she is Sonal Sidhu. Hello and very good afternoon. Namaskar Sonal. And Sonal will tell you each and everything in her sign language. So, you are ready to discuss about today's topic. So, let me introduce our expert also first. Hello and very good afternoon Vishakha ma'am. Namaskar.
Namaskar ma'am, namaskar Sushma ma'am, namaskar Sonal ma'am. So, I am here today for special assistance or for to discuss a very interesting story today which is Neha's alarm clock.
Yes ma'am. So, we will be going to know about what is Neha's alarm clocks. So, before that I would like to tell you if you have any kind of query or any kind of question related to Neha's alarm clock, you can directly call us on our number which is flashing on your screen. Number is 8800440559 and even you can go to the live chat box as well where you can drop your questions and queries along with your doubts. And dear viewers, you can write down in details through mail ID. Mail ID is dth.class4@ciet.nic.in. I am Sushma Sharma and today we are going to discuss about Neha's alarm clock. Ma'am, as I know about alarm clock, so what our students or the children are going to learn about Neha's alarm clock?
Let's leave that. First of all, let me ask you a question. You
Yes.
look a bit sleepy today. What happened?
Yes, because I got up early in the morning for the morning schedule or morning shift.
Okay.
Yes.
So,
5 o'clock.
okay. And who wakes you up?
My alarm clock.
Okay. So, your alarm clock wakes up. Like, and if there's no alarm clock and like, let's say your alarm clock, it gets fallen, then who will wake you up?
I think all the birds sitting on the tree
Yeah.
or sometimes cock.
Yeah.
Yeah. And sometimes I think rays of the sun. If my bed is just near the window and the rays are just crossing that window, I can wake up.
So, this story is actually about Neha and so we wanted to, as you said, sometime and you know what, my mother also wakes me up. So, Neha, so we will just find out all things that, and what if no one wakes you up, what will happen?
I won't be able to come to this office and I won't be able to do my other work and which are very important and I need to follow all the time that alarm clock.
I'll definitely get late, maybe I will not be able to go to school. So,
Right.
that may happen to us.
Yes.
So, that's why it's important that we wake up on time and for this we have a lot of things. So, now before we start the chapter and before we talk about anything else, I'll tell you, like here are a few sounds.
Yes, we are able to hear this sound.
And
what I said.
What is this sound?
Yes,
So,
it is cock.
it's a rooster. Yeah.
मुर्गा बाग दे रहा है.
मुर्गा बाग दे रहा है और वो उठाता है सुबह में ऐसे,
Yes.
राइट? अब ऐसे ही
Wake up, sleepyhead. You will miss the bus.
Oh,
ये कौन बोलेगा?
I think that sound is customized or the mother can
Wake up,
speak in this way.
sleepyhead. You
Yeah.
will miss
So
the bus.
हमारी मम्मी बोलती है उठो उठो जल्दी उठो नहीं तो देर हो जाएगी.
Yes.
So ऐसे ही अब ये आती है ऐसी आवाजें आपके घर के पास?
Yes, yes. Yes,
क्या?
madam. Oh,
क्या इसे
I have heard.
पर क्या इस आवाज से हम उठते हैं कभी?
No.
फिर हम कैसे उठते हैं? ये आपको क्या लगता है किस चीज का अलार्म साउंड होगा?
Siren है, some maybe fire brigade
Yeah.
or maybe some ambulance
हाँ
kind
जी,
of.
तो हमें
But
साउंड
ambulance is quite different.
जी
This may be
फायर
fire brigade.
सो हमें ये सब चीजों का ध्यान रखना है कि विच साउंड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट.
Yes,
लाइक
ma'am.
लेट्स से क्या इस साउंड से हमें कोई उठाता है?
This sound, I think it's like clock tower sound, or like 9. It's time for breakfast. It's time for
Yeah.
all the
Or
workers go to your breakfast. It's like that.
It's an emergency alarm
Emergency
as well.
alarm.
Sometime, like if we have to ask everybody to evacuate to leave the
Leave
building,
the
then
building,
we
right.
can play this sound as well.
Yes.
So we know which sound is it. Now let me. What is this sound?
This sounds some kind of insect, or
It's a fire alarm.
this one.
Yes. So if you hear this sound in your school building or anywhere,
Very-
you have to leave and you have to just go to your teacher
my
and ask
God.
for help.
Oh, but quite slow and very, this is our
Have you heard
clock.
this sound?
Yes.
And does this sound wake you up?
Yes.
This sound wakes me up as well. So now let's leave all these sounds and we'll be back to the next slide. So yes, yep. So now let's talk about Neha. What happened once she was sleeping and her alarm clock, something like this.
Yes.
It
This is
started
alarm
ringing
clock.
and said, wake up, it's 6 o'clock. And the alarm, and Neha had to wake up and she said, why this alarm clock, it keeps on ringing every day and I have to wake up at 6.
Oh.
So one day, what will happen if one day this clock does not ring and I can sleep a little more? And her wish got fulfilled.
Oh.
And the next day there was no alarm clock. She was very happy. She thought I could sleep a little more today. But you know what happened?
What happened?
Came something like, but close your eyes for this.
Oh. Okay.
So for this now came some things like you have to touch and tell what is this thing. Came a weird creature and he started making some sound. A sound like this.
Like a bird. Small bird.
Yeah, it's a small bird and
Oh.
the bird started making the sound.
Oh.
And now they also asked her, Neha, you'll get late. Please wake up. Now Neha had to wake up again.
Now I can open?
Yeah, you can
Yes,
open your
open
eyes.
my eyes. Okay,
But-
thank you.
And next day, but she thought, okay, what happened if these birds, they also don't like come up and they don't ask me to wake up early in the morning? Her wish got fulfilled. The very next day, some other creature, some other thing, it came and you know what was that thing?
What
Make
was
a
that
guess.
thing?
It was bright,
Oh,
shiny,
shiny.
warm. It had a yellow light. What
Very
could have
easy.
been?
Children, you can also guess it. What is it? It's
What
a sun.
was that? Yes. So
Sun.
the sun shone at Neha and she had to wake up because
Yes.
the light was too much for her to keep her closing her eyes and all that. And in this time, like while her alarm was ringing, while the birds were chirping and asking her to, wake up, all she wanted to do was snuggle her blanket.
Oh.
Do you like snuggling your blanket?
Yes.
And what else do you ever snuggle your pillow as well?
Yes.
When you sleep?
Well, yes, because it gives comfort.
Yeah.
Yes, it gives comfort.
So, but every time these things they asked her to wake up, she would mutter, she would make sounds like, why is this thing? So she would say this thing to herself, why is the alarm clock asking me to wake up early in the morning every day? Why is this bird, bothering me? So every time this thing happened, now all her wish got fulfilled. No alarm clock came, no birds came, and neither did the sun.
Okay.
But who came this time to wake her up in the morning,
There
the
is-
very next day?
Maybe one more person or only the mother.
Yes.
Mother is always there to wake her up.
So she said,
You will miss
Oh.
the bus.
wake up sleepyhead,
Ah,
you missed
it's-
the bus. So she said that her mother, she came up to wake her up and she had to wake up because it's her responsibility, she has to do it.
Yes.
Now she does it. But what happens?
What
Now
happened?
she goes to school, but she also wanted that, no one wakes me up. Now next day, she was sleeping, but, and neither did the sun,
Nor
the alarm clock, nor did the
neither
bird, and not even her mother came to
Huh.
wake her up. But then also she woke up at 6.
6 o'clock.
At what time did she wake up?
6 o'clock.
At 6 o'clock she woke up. So when she woke up at 6, so when she woke up at 6, she like came rushing to her mother and she asked one question. Can you make a guess what question she would have asked?
Oh, mom, I don't want to go to school today. Please don't wake me up.
Yeah, and
If
she,
I would have been in her
Yeah.
place, I could have said in that way only.
you know, she asked her mother, like, if you didn't wake me up, if you didn't wake me up, if sun did not wake me up, if alarm clock did not wake me up, and this bird did not wake me up,
Then
who actually woke me up at 6?
Her alarm clock? No,
No,
that
the
also
alarm
not.
clock did not work. Then she asked this question to her mother, and then her mother replied and she told her something that we don't know. She said, she asked her mother, Neha, Neha, you know, when you look at the slide, you'll see that there are dialogues. So after Neha, there's a semicolon. So you just have to speak and you have to say, Ma, who woke me up? Her mother said, who else? You, of course.
Oh.
And Neha was like,
How?
but I was sleeping, how could I?
Huh.
Then her mother told that there is a clock inside which tells
Oh.
when to sleep, to
When to
eat,
wake up.
or to wake up.
Right.
So it was her biological clock
Yes.
which woke her up in the morning. So this actually happened.
So this is the main point. It's her biological clock.
clock.
And everybody has that biological
clock.
See, if my alarm clock doesn't work, then
Yeah.
my biological alarm always wakes me up. That I have to get up. I have to get up. Even I think if you 10 times remember the thing that I have to wake up at this time, your eyes will automatically will open.
Yeah. And what happens, like if you eat breakfast, what time do you have breakfast every day?
8:30 to 9 o'clock.
Okay,
Usually.
so and if like let's say you do not get food at 8:30 and 9, don't you feel hungry yourself?
Yeah, of course I will feel hungry.
Yes. So this is what happened to Neha when all the things do not actually woke her up. Her biological clock did. But I have one thing I want to tell you before I move further.
Okay.
So like this is like I'm wearing something. You can see, right?
Yes.
So this is something I'm wearing and this is it. So which one is a clock in these two things? Among these two?
Both are clock, or I can see this is your
What do we call it?
no, this is wristwatch. You cannot
Yes.
put your clock here,
Yes.
but it can show the timing.
Yes, it
but
can
not the clock. We can adjust the clock here only.
We
on
must
this.
know the difference
Ah,
between clock
clock
and
and
watch.
right.
That a clock, it wakes up like it's you cannot tie it around your wrist, and that's why it's a clock. You can hang it.
But nowadays we are getting the smart watches, ma'am,
Yeah.
where we can adjust the alarm clock in
Yeah.
our wristwatches
as well. Yeah. So now, do you want me to again play those alarm sounds, or should we move further?
We can move further, ma'am.
Okay.
Because we have heard 2-3 times alarm sound,
Yeah.
even of birds.
So always remember, when you hear the sounds and you know different alarm clocks and different sounds, like fire alarms are different and emergency alarms are different, so we must work. So here is one keyword.
Yes,
Snuggle.
snuggles.
Can you enact how do you snuggle something?
Oh.
I want to snuggle a sun.
Oh.
Okay, so how will I snuggle the sun?
Oh, it's my sweet
Yes.
baby
So,
kind
yeah.
of.
So you snuggle your son like that, and if you like wearing your blanket and all, you just strap yourself around that. Now, what is
Like
the word?
teddy bear.
Yeah.
Small children, they love to snuggle their teddy bears or
Yeah.
any kind of soft toys.
And like let's say you and I, we don't like each like something, and we're gonna talk about like something about it, but in a low voice. That is called mutters.
Oh.
So we're going to enact mutters in front of the camera. Can you do that?
Oh, yeah.
Like mutters. What is this? I don't like it. No, no.
So that is
that is this mutter
mutters.
sound. And now there's another word called windowsill. What is it?
Windowsill.
Yeah.
Like the place or
Yeah.
the space near the window
Yes.
where you can keep your alarm clock as well.
Yes,
right?
you see here, like Neha had a windowsill, it
Yes.
had a place, and these all, like all three pictures have windowsill over here.
Right.
Now, I must ask that we must revise what have we done.
Great.
Can I ask you one question?
Yes.
What time did Neha's clock ring every morning?
6 o'clock?
Really?
Really? Just
Yeah, that's
let's
right.
See. Right,
yes,
ma'am?
so that's
Okay.
why you get a bright shiny sun.
Oh, thank
And
you.
what did the bird say? Sleep on, wake up, go and play.
Wake up.
Wake up.
Yes.
And what is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? Your body clock, your eyes, your feet. My eyes will never open.
No, body
but
clock.
there's one thing that will actually help me to or ask me to wake up. And what is that thing? My
Biological alarm.
Yes. So
The
now
new word.
next, this is before we do something else. I
Yes.
have one
Some
thing.
activities for
Yeah.
the children.
Yes.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
when we were doing the word snuggles, we could look at we could see this is the word snuggle.
Yes.
Snuggles,
We can
mutters.
see it
Yeah,
to
and
the top angle. Yes. So
Yeah.
these are the 3 words, or we
Yes.
can say that these
Yeah.
are the 3 keywords.
yes, these are the 3
Windowsill,
keywords: windowsill, snuggles, and mutters.
mutters.
We can touch them and feel them as well.
Yes.
Now, before we move further, I have one more thing to show. This is a quiz that you have to do.
Oh.
But
Ma'am.
and here we
Yes, yes, yes.
So here here are some words that were there in the chapter. You have to find them out.
Okay.
And
One word I can find out very easily where your finger was just moving through.
so where is it?
It is on the third line, ma'am. First, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother.
This is mother.
You can
And
find it.
this is mother then. Now then we have another word. Can you see, like, do you want me to point out, help you
Yes,
somewhere?
we can, one word is there, eat. E-A-T.
Eat.
Third.
Oh yes. So
Yes.
this is the word.
So we can make so many different words through whether it is horizontal or the vertical.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you can make it either this way or this way.
Yes.
Yeah.
We
Can you
find
see
more
something
words.
else? This particular thing is still missing.
Snore. One more word is there, ma'am. Snoring.
Snoring.
The
yes.
snore is there. S-N-O-R-E.
Yes, it's
Yes,
the word.
it is there.
And you still missing some word? One more word.
Where it is?
I can point that out.
Oh, it
This
is
is-
bird. Wow. At the end,
These, yes.
B-I-R-D, bird.
Yes. And now there's one more thing. After you are done with your school, you have had your breakfast and you are at the bed. What do you do?
Sleep.
Yes.
Relax.
But if you don't close your eyes and then you relax. Yes.
Yes,
So
relax
we
is
can
there.
play a game like that. We can actually find out words from this, and this is how we do it. So do you want me to revise? Do you want to revise the words again?
Yes, one more. So we can find as much as possible. We can
Yeah.
find more words.
Yes.
Yes.
If you can.
We have time also, ma'am.
Yeah.
So that we can do some more practice here.
Yes. So this is the first word. Yeah. What is it?
Mother.
This is
Mother.
And the other word was
Bird.
birds, and this word was relax.
Relax. The third one is any other word, ma'am?
The snore,
Yes, that word.
and then we have the other word eat,
Eat also we found.
and then yes, so we have actually found all the words. So let's move on to the next thing.
Yes.
So there is one more exercise that we could have done in this chapter. So I'll just show you. It's about prepositions. So you will tell me this particular thing. Yeah. Now this, what is this?
Bathing.
Okay.
Taking
And
bath.
where's the boy?
Where's in the tub?
In the tub.
In
So
the
if
tub.
somebody asks you and he gives you 2 words, in and on,
On.
then you're going to pick in. The
In.
boy is in the
Tub.
bathtub. The boy is in the
Tub.
bathtub. So now what are they doing?
They are running, or what
He is
are
pushing,
they doing?
like they're
Pushing.
fighting. So they are fighting. If I say the boys are fighting on each other, with each other.
With each other.
The boys are fighting with each other. Yes.
So prepositions we have to fill up
yeah.
here.
So
and
if
find
I
it.
say this particular thing, this cup
Yes.
is on the board. This
Yes.
cup is
on
the board, and the water
in the cup.
is in the cup. The water is in the cup.
Yes.
Yes. And yes, one more thing.
So we have to tell our children also why it is on the table or on the board,
Yeah.
and why it is in the. So we can define it also,
Yes.
ma'am. When it is touching the table or
Yeah.
the board, so we call it on the
table. But when something is inside,
Inside,
then we call it in.
Yes.
Yes. So the pen is also on the
table
cardboard,
or
on the table.
Right.
And this particular thing, now the pen is
On the
on the cup,
Yes.
right? But if but this bird, he is
Beside.
in his nest.
Huh.
So he is in his nest. Now these three things, like all now,
Beside.
yeah. Now the cup is between the bird and the pen. The
Yes.
cup is between the bird and the pen. So something which comes in between is actually, for that we use between, when it is between or in middle of two
objects.
things.
Yes.
That's
And beside
between.
also it can be.
Yes.
Just
Now the bird is beside the cup,
Cup.
and the cup is beside the
bird.
right? So this could happen with this pen as well.
Yes.
And if you just change the angle and we are looking from the front, then I can also say
In
the
front
pen,
of
yes,
the
the pen
cup.
is behind the
Behind,
cup.
huh.
Like if you
If
looking
you're
it from
looking
my
from the-
angle,
yes, yes, correct.
So if you're looking it from my angle, so you can say the pen is in front of the cup.
Huh.
But if you looking, and if you put it there, it'll
Then
be
at the
behind.
behind.
It'll be behind the cup. So that's how it's done. So for now we should move on to the next part.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is the next part?
Next part is what is homework for the
Yes.
children. Yes.
So this is the homework that you must do to find out that if you can actually, if you learn something from these lesson. So these words are scrambled, like you have to arrange them properly. So the word is not written properly.
There is no word, but you have we have done already one.
Yeah. So we have done everything. It was in the chapter.
Norming. There is no word. You have to just correct it. It is
Yeah.
morning.
Yes. So this is how you do it for your homework, and then we can
Easily
do it.
We are giving the clues to our children so that they can do their
Yes.
homework nicely.
And this
And
is your modified homework. You can take a picture. There the pictures are beside it.
Yes.
And this will help you to find
lot.
out what can be the word. You see that she is making some sound.
Yes, I can
So-
do this homework, ma'am. I have learned all the words here, and it is quite easy, children, for you, because
Yeah.
you are fourth standard student. So ma'am has given you a very simple and simplified
Homework.
modified homework for you as well.
Yeah.
So this is homework, and now you can send this homework to our mail ID. This is the format of the homework submission. Name of the student. Yes, what is your name? You just write down here, and class is 4th, and the school name and address. Write your school name and address, and expert or the teacher name. Today Vishakha Tomar madam, you have to write down there, and date of the session. And today is 10th February 2025. That also you have to write here. And photograph is optional, dear children. So it is up to you. If you like to send your photograph, pretty photograph, that also you can send along with this homework submission. So we will be waiting for this homework, and you have to send this homework on our mail ID. Mail ID, you know that, dth.class4@ciet.nic.in. So that homework you have to submit at the given mail ID. So that was the chapter, and very interesting activities we have done here for you, dear children. And Vishakha madam, thank you so much for being with us with this interesting chapter, Neha's alarm clock. And we have learned about everybody's alarm clock, and even we have learned one more very beautiful word, that is biological alarm. I think that is more important than other alarms, right ma'am? So thank you so much, dear viewers, also, and I would like to thank to our interpreter also, Sonal Sidhu. Thank you, Sonal, for being with us and keeping the session alive here. And dear viewers, now it's time for me also to signing off. But before that, let me discuss about today's program. What all the programs you all are going to watch in our schedule. So next program is at 2 p.m. It is mathematics. And the topic is how much can we spend, and 2:30 again the English class for class 1, and the chapter is unit 2 chapter 3 picture time, and 3 o'clock we will come with the second class and it would be Urdu जिसका topic रहेगा सारी दुनिया के मालिक, एंड 3:30 हिंदी का रहेगा सेकंड क्लास के लिए 4 दिशाएं, और 4 बजे हम लेकर आएंगे हिंदी की हमारी जो कार्यशाला यानी कि हमारा जो ट्रेनिंग सेशन है, प्रशिक्षण सत्र है, वो रहेगा मानसिक कल्याण नीति परिप्रेक्ष्य आवश्यकता और क्षेत्र। और 5 बजे का हमारा समय रहता है सहयोग का, जिसमें हम बात करते हैं मेंटल वेलबींग की अपने बच्चों के लिए, टीचर्स के लिए और अभिभावकों के लिए। तो आज का टॉपिक रहेगा हमारा सहयोग का, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है, मेमोरी एनहेंसिंग टेक्निक्स फॉर सक्सेस इन एग्ज़ाम। एग्ज़ाम टाइम चल रहा है और आपको अपनी मेमोरी कैसे एनहेंस करनी है, क्या क्या ज़रूरी बातें होती हैं, इस पर आप ज़रूर विचार करिए, क्योंकि बोर्ड परीक्षाएं भी शुरू होने वाली हैं और उसके लिए हम इसी तरह के विषय भी लेकर आते हैं आपके लिए। तो आज के इस सत्र को हम यहीं पर समाप्त करते हैं। मैं सुषमा अपनी पूरी टीम के साथ आप सभी से चाहती हूँ अनुमति। खुश रहें, मुस्कुराते रहें, पढ़ते रहें, पढ़ाते रहें, अपना ख्याल रखें। नमस्कार।